going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a wet and rainy day today, as you can see, and we're about to go and take the 110 for a wet send. So it's been a minute since I uploaded anything, so let's crack into it. So you can already see I've done it a little bit here. It's like slick as slick can be on this. Look, it's slick as. So you know what that means. Doughies! Drifty, son, yeah, boy. Fuck yeah, Carl, that's so fun. And it roosts heaps because I got grip on my tyres. Look at this shit. Fuck yeah, Carl. As soon as you rip it in first, it just spins, look. And I'm not using the brake either. See? Drifting, cunt. Woohoo! Woohoo! Sliding everywhere, cuz. That's mad fun. Oh, that was sick and gearies too. Playing in the mud is fun. Playing in the mud is fun. I just fucked that up real bad. Playing in the mud is fun. Oh, you can't even hit the rear brake without it going. Oh yeah, she's smoking some of that mud up, that's for sure. But that's alright. Oh, you can hear that was definitely in second. Bottom out. Oh, my rear tyre is just so caked, it's just sliding everywhere. Woohoo! Drifter, baby. Oh, this is where it gets muddy and sketchy as. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that, we got a river going. This part here always floods. Always, look. Oh yeah, someone's building a house right at the trail. That's real smart. was a little bit deep. Everyone knows this spot. This is my doughy spot. Oh, look, some people have already been here having a bit of a play in their forbies. One verse, what? No idea. Anywho, we'll keep on rolling. Find another spot. Oh, look at that! Someone's gone mad in that one. Let me show you how muddy it is. I had to take my helmet off. I got my helmet rigged up to this couple of poles or whatever. Doesn't matter. Might be a bit of a wonky thing, but yeah. It is so muddy here. It's ridiculous. So slippery, it's ridiculous. Can get back into the camera. Oh, it's so slippery, man. She's smoking.
Let's hit this little lip here. That's not bad. We can go a bit faster on that though. Yay! Not bad. I wasn't actually preloading that either, so let's preload that this time. Woohoo! That was a bit better. Go back and we'll hit this thing again. Woohoo! It's actually a pretty fun jump, eh? It's still a mud bog here, man. Like, this water doesn't want to go away at all. Oh well, it's only one way through it. Easy for the 110, baby. So I just hit this just now off camera. Got some mad air off it, so let's try it again. Going the other way isn't as steep. What's up, birdie? There's a little patch here you can hit. Not bad, not bad. Bit of urban.